Hello and welcome to this tutorial on using the Fyouture mobile app, which will enable you to schedule messages to send to your future self or loved ones. To begin, download and install the Fyouture app from your Android or Apple App Store. Once the app's installed, open it and create an account in just a few seconds. Once you have an account, you can start creating your time capsule message by tapping on the plus icon. Then, tap on the category to scroll through the various categories available to choose from. The number on the gold coin you see here is the amount of credits you'll need to send a message in that category. Sending an interstellar message is a unique opportunity to place your message into a capsule, which will be physically sent into space in the coming years. Once you've chosen your category, within the description box, you can type your message and then upload your video or other media that you'd like sent into the future. Insert the email address you'd like it sent to, yours or your friends or family's, and select the date you'd like it to be scheduled to be automatically sent out on. And that's it. It's ready to go. If you ever need to make changes to your message or cancel it altogether, you can do so on your dashboard within the mobile app by clicking on the three dots next to the message to edit the text or delete it. When the scheduled time arrives, your messages will get sent out and the recipients will receive an email displaying your time capsule video from the past. They'll be able to read the message and watch your video and reflect on the thoughts and feelings you had when you wrote or recorded it. Credits can be purchased whenever needed by tapping here, and there are no monthly fees to worry about. Sending messages into the future can be a fun and reflective activity that allows you to connect with your future self or loved ones. The future is now in your hands.